Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to compare two popular air fryer ovens from Gourmia, the Gourmia air fryer oven and the Gourmia air fryer XL. We'll be evaluating them in different categories to help you decide which one is best for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. The Gourmia Air Fryer XL has a 30% larger cooking capacity than the regular Gourmia air fryer oven. This means you can cook more food at once, which is great if you're feeding a big family or hosting a party. On the other hand, the regular Gourmia air fryer oven may be more suitable for those with limited counter space. The Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at $53, while the Gourmia air fryer XL is priced at $92. If you're on a budget, the regular Gourmia air fryer oven may be a more affordable option. However, if you need a bigger cooking capacity, you may want to invest in the Gourmia air fryer XL. Both air fryer ovens use fat removal technology to help you cook healthier meals. They can remove up to 90% of fat through the cooking process, giving you all the flavor without the guilt. This makes them great alternatives to traditional deep frying methods. Both Gourmia air fryer ovens have 12 one-touch digital presets that deliver the best results. You can use them to French fries, wings, fish fryer, bacon, seafood, vegetables, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, toaster, reheat, and keep warm. This makes them versatile appliances that can replace several cooking gadgets in your kitchen. Both Gourmia air fryer ovens come with a 1-year comprehensive international warranty. This ensures that you can use the appliance with peace of mind and have it replaced or repaired if a defect occurs. That's it for our comparison between the Gourmia air fryer oven and the Gourmia air fryer XL. We hope that you found this video helpful in making your decision. Let us know in the comments which air fryer oven you prefer and why. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.